So here we are with another unboxing video. This time it's a Casio. I know Casio is a so-called god tier brand, and the Casio Enticer series. Sometimes you get confused about all these series by Casio, but they make in Enticer, which is more affordable, or rather quite affordable brand by Casio, some excellent watches. So this one is MDV107D-1A3VDF. So this is a diver available at just approximately less than $100. So you can't beat a diver which is available at like less than $100. That's like steal deal if the quality is good. So here we are. This is one of the most popular watches of Casio. So here is what it says: MDV107D-1A3VDF. Okay, the India code for the watch is A2191 and sourced from China. It has, the box doesn't have much things, so there's a warranty card and there is an instruction booklet, the usual stuff of Casio, and you know, the 2-year plus 6 months extended warranty coupon. So let's keep it aside and zoom it and see what are the features of the watch. So here let's take a zoomed look. So this is a beautiful looking, half red and half blue bezel. That is a Pepsi bezel dial watch, a Pepsi bezel watch, and it has a second hand in red and the hour and minute hand in white, with no numeric markers on the second hands, which is okay, but essentially it's a diver. So the unique selling proposition of this watch is it's a diver at such a good or such a nice affordable price, that is even less than $100. Merlin logo, so it's also called Casio Duro, and it had a Merlin logo over here. There was a Merlin fish which is no longer there. So something might have happened with the contract with Casio, so that that is done away with. Probably with that they might be able to sell this in more geographical markets. So this is water resistant for 200 meters, and it is also popularly called as the Bill Gates watch. So knowingly or unknowingly, Mr. Bill Gates, who is the founder of Microsoft, so he made this watch famous because he was seen wearing this watch in a meeting or in a function. And after that, it was correlated with Mr. Bill Gates. So somehow that became popular. Anyways, but overall the watch is popular because at such a low price you can't get a diver of this quality. It has a polished stainless steel case. If we talk about dimensions, it is 49.5 lug to lug. That is from 6 to 12 side, and 44.2 mm as the dial width. Here the dial size is 44.2, and a thickness of 12.1 mm, which is quite good for a diver. It does not like appear to be too bulky or too like superimposed on the wrist. Now this one comes with a, so it comes in like two versions are there. So this one comes with a bracelet. Now the bracelet is good, brushed and polished, so a very thin line is polished on both the sides. But somehow like this bracelet is the weakest link of this watch, because first of all this is proper bracelet type, that means it is not flexible at all, and this will stay like this, it will not get compressed. So somehow I don't like this kind of bracelet, but anyways, so this is what the company has provided. It has a the company says one touch three-fold clasp, which is okay, but it gives you a bling. So if you do it like this, it will make a like some sound. The battery life is assumed to be of around 3 years. The weight is 144 grams. And the dial color is black, and that too sunburst. And a very nice looking, the right size dive watch. So later on, Casio has come up with a dial size of less than 40 also for this watch, to maybe attract newer segment or people with smaller wrists. But essentially it loses the quality of a dive watch, which should be essentially big. So there is no point of like having a dive watch which is smaller size as far as the case is concerned. It has a unidirectional rotating bezel, which is a bit tight in the beginning. I hope it will like ease off with use, but many people complain that it will be difficult to operate under the water. But I give them the advantage that probably due to being new and less frequently used, it is like this. Alright. Otherwise, it's a very nice looking watch. Okay, so the crown is unmarked, and it also has micro adjustments, although only two, but or rather one extra. So that is okay, because at this price, what else you can demand? It has a mineral glass and doesn't come with a sapphire glass. It has a date window, which is marked on all sides, so that makes it clear. Okay, and no cyclops or any such thing. So it's a plain, simple, clean, very fair and clean dive watch. And the quality does not at all look like a less than $100 watch, except the bracelet, of course. So if we wear it on the wrist, let's see how does it look like. So here it is, a 44 mm dial watch on my 7.25 inch wrist. And this is fine, because like up to 45 or so is fine with my wrist. So, Anything between 38 to 45 is okay with a 7.25-inch wrist. So it looks one of the best divers or otherwise a Pepsi watch on the wrist. So let's quickly check out the loom and then we'll go for a strap change, and I'll show you what strap I use with this watch, because of course I cannot go with this bracelet. So this is where the loom department. Which is good, a fair loom, and all the three hands have a loom. So near the tip there's a loom on the second hand, and on the minute and hour hand again there is a loom. It is deteriorating, but still significantly good, and especially considering the price point, considering it being a diver watch or a diving watch, this is okay, or it passes the test in the loom department. You can't really complain. Okay, so this is how I paired it with a FKM strap of red color, and to me this is the best combination. You can pair it with either blue or red. So red on the bezel is not actually red, it's like more maroonish, but it goes with a red strap, or similarly a blue strap, FKM rubber strap. So the other version of this same watch, which comes without a bracelet, comes with a rubber strap. But normally all of them come with a black rubber strap. So that's again your choice whether you would like to buy that watch. So I hope you liked the video and you liked the watch. And if you have any queries or comments to make, you can tell me in your comments. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video and the channel. Thank you.